I'm Harry and welcome back to Drum Electric. So in this video we are going to import samples to our SPD-SX from a computer. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure you've got the free Roland Wave Manager. That's the software that's going to let us control all of the samples and import things and change things. It's wonderful. So to get that, all you have to do is just Google the Roland SPD-SX drivers, hit enter, scroll down a little bit to the Roland support page, and then from here you just scroll down until you find the Roland Wave Manager either for Windows or for Mac. I've got the one for Mac, so you just click on that, you scroll down a little bit. I agree and wish to proceed with the download because I have read every single word of that. And once that's downloaded, you might have to restart your computer, but then we move on to the next bit. So the SPD-SX specifically is really fussy when it comes to samples. So I've got this clap sample. It sounds like this. Super easy. So what you want to do is you just want to make sure that when you export it, it's as a WAV in 16-bit 44.1. Now you've got your software, now you've got your samples, let's look at the SPD-SX. So the settings you need to change are super easy. What you want to do is you want to head into Menu, down to Setup, all the way down to Option, and at the bottom there you want to use the plus and minus buttons to change that from Audio/MIDI to the Wave Manager. Wave Manager. Then you just hit the kit button and you plug in your SPD-SX. Once it's plugged in, you'll get this menu pop up saying that it's connected to a computer. And then you want to load up the Wave Manager. So the first thing you'll see is to select storage. If you can't see the SPD-SX here, it might be, for example, on a different option. So just get the drop down menu and load the SPD-SX. Once you hit OK, it'll load all the storage and then you get this. So as you can see, it's loaded up all of the sounds on my own SPD-SX. So what we want to do is use the little paper button at the top left here to import our samples. So I'm just going to drag my sample in. There we go, it's right there. I didn't name it, so I'm very sorry. But if I want to hear it, there you go, there's my sample. Now I just hit import. It'll appear right at the bottom of this list. There it is. And then I just drag it onto the pad that I want it to be on. Once I've done that, then I just hit the exit button and I'm all good to go. Unplug the SPD-SX. It's as easy as that.